Hello wonderful people, this is Neo of AhhhsoNeo. Welcome back to my channel. So happy to have you here. Hope you guys are all doing well. Breathe. So welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm doing a kind of different video today. I wanted to kind of make an aspirational video. As some of you may know, I'm really into like law of attraction kind of things, and so I wanted to do a video where I was going to chit chat about where I see myself going here. So bear with me. But basically what I wanted to chat about today is what I am going to do when I hit my 1,000 subscribers. So hi guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, AhhhsoNeo. Thank you so much if you have subscribed. This is a message that you are definitely going to want to hear. Thank you if you're thinking about subscribing. This is again a message you're definitely going to want to hear. It might help you decide to click on that button. Thank you for your subscriber, and you've hit the notification button so you can see my videos that come up. Just thank you for everything. That's a lot of thank yous. But I just kind of wanted to chat a little bit today because I'm really excited. I see my subscriber numbers going up, and I think I'm gonna hit 1K subscribers here pretty soon. So I wanted to do a video kind of like announcing what kind of a giveaway I'm going to do when I hit 1K subscribers, and also to get everybody's inputs and suggestions on what they would like for a giveaway for when I hit 1K subscribers. I've been on YouTube for a while now, but I think one of the problems I've made is that I interact with people who interact with me on my channel, but I haven't been really good about going out and finding new channels to watch and new people to subscribe to and comment on and so on. So I found my little niche family and I interact with them all the time, but I didn't take the time to branch out. I've been doing that a lot lately, and one of the side effects great side effects that I've noticed is that as I interact with other YouTubers, then more people interact with me. So I've watched my numbers grow, and I'm absolutely loving that. Thank you. So I love the community here on YouTube. I love the people I've met. I love the people I've met on YouTube and Instagram, where we go back and forth. We have our little groups that we chat amongst ourselves. It's just so welcoming. I mean, I clearly have a bit of an addiction here. Multiple addictions. I like my makeup, and I like my shoes, and I like my handbags, and in my real life it's not stuff that I really share. For one, I work from home a lot, so I don't go out. I'm not in public all that much, and then even when you are in public, sometimes when you're carrying a little purse, people can be a little judgmental. So trust me, I don't let that phase that. I'm going to carry whatever purse I want to carry, or shoes, or whatever. But at the same time, I try not to be flashy about it. If someone starts a conversation about a bag that I'm wearing, I'll interact with it, but I won't initiate the conversation. Unless if I myself am complimenting somebody else. I'm a bag person. I notice bags because it's my obsession. So I might start a conversation with someone that way, but in general, I try to keep to myself. But anyway, the point I was trying to make is that in my real life, I don't really have that opportunity to interact and share with other people my obsessions. But YouTube and my blog and Instagram have really opened up that door for me and given me that forum to discuss with people what I like, what I'm thinking about getting next, what they have, just to drool, just to be influenced by other people. It's really given me that forum, and I've loved it. I'm loving it. I'm having fun. And so all of this preamble is really as a way of me to say, as I see my numbers increasing, I love that, I think like 1,000K is that mythical number that we all try to reach for, and then once you hit it, you're like, yes. So I wanted to do a giveaway when I get to that magical, mythical number, as just a way of saying thanks to you guys, and just thanks to the universe for giving me something that I want. So I was gonna say something else. So yeah, so this is kind of like I'm trying to get ideas, really. I think I know what I want to put in my giveaway if I get it right. But I am interested in getting feedback from you guys. You're the potential winners. So what would you be interested in? I have an example, and I'll get to it in a second. But I wanted to first toss out the ideas that I have. I'm either thinking a gift card to a department store. So that would either be Neiman Marcus or Saks. These are things that are available in a lot of large cities, or if you're not in a large city, it's a gift card that you can use online and order something. I'll talk about budget in a little bit, but it might not be enough to buy a whole thing, but it could be enough to get something small and get you to the point where you can buy something. I was also thinking that doing Neiman's or Saks would be a great idea, because these are department stores that carry luxury goods, and also luxury goods, whether it's handbags, shoes, or SLGs, but they also carry luxury makeup. And you guys know that on this channel I love to cover luxury makeup, and I'm obsessed with high-end foundations. So I kind of feel that a gift card to Neiman's or Saks would be broad enough to cover the whole subset of interest on this channel, because I know I have people who come here for my beauty videos, I know I have people who come here for the luxury goods videos, and then people who come for both and just support. Hi, thank you. So anyway, so that's option one. A gift card to a luxury department store, whether it would be Neiman's or Saks. Option two, I'm not too sure about this one, because I was thinking a gift card to like Ulta or Sephora, but I feel like that one is a little heavily focused on beauty. But at the same time, I don't think it's a bad idea. So if you're into handbags and stuff, you might not really want a gift card to Sephora. But at the same time, I kind of feel like a gift card to Sephora or Ulta is a gift card to Sephora or Ulta. So, you know, even if you're not makeup obsessed, you will use that gift card. So I kind of go back and forth with option two, but I still think it would be quite a fair number of people would be interested. So that's option two. Option three, I feel like, is the one that would also cover most of my viewers, but it might not cover everyone. Like, not everyone would be happy about option three. So, and I'll give an example. Yeah, not that this is it, but this is the example. So I was following recommendations from a YouTuber that I follow called Looks of Paris. I think it was Looks of Paris, and she was talking about how to get certain pieces, replacement pieces, luggage pieces, whatever they're called, from the Louis Vuitton website if you don't own the original piece. So, and one of the things that she gave an example of was this little like key holder thing that goes on, excuse me, the outside of a bag. It's a cloche. You can get this heat stamped with your initials, or if you know the hearts or whatever the heat stamps that are available are. So I got this one to put on my Speedy. Only I no longer own a Speedy, and I'll link that video below if you want to check it out, what happened to my Speedy. But I did get this one to put on my Speedy, or I guess another purse that will have vachetta leather. I have one, and I'll insert a picture here, that is on my Alma. Now what I have done is I have ordered a replacement part involving this piece, this red piece. Again, here's the picture for my red Alma. I'm still waiting on that one. I'm hoping to get it back in time, that I would add it, so something like this, but in a bright red leather that you can take to Louis Vuitton yourself and have customized with your initials. I would add that to a Louis Vuitton gift card. So I think a Louis Vuitton gift card is an excellent idea. I currently have one in quite a large amount that I need to spend, and I of course can't decide what to do with it. But you know, so it's something where if you're like me and you're a Louis Vuitton addict, you will be dying to spend it. But I know that not everybody on this channel is a Louis Vuitton addict, so I don't know. So, but anyway, but those are the three options. Neiman's Saks, actually you could use a Neiman's Saks card to buy Louis Vuitton if you had Louis Vuitton in your Neiman's or Saks location. Sephora Ulta, or a gift card actually to Louis Vuitton itself, along with something like this if I get it in time. So, okay, so those are my 3 options. If you have a new option or a different option, or you're thinking Gucci is better, I do have access to a Gucci store, so I could get a Gucci gift card. You know, so if you're thinking that's better, put it in the comment section below. Let me know what you would like. Let me know where you fall, A, B, and C, or should I say options 1, 2, and 3, so that I can definitely, you know, put everybody's thoughts into my consideration. So again, guys, this is really just to say thank you to everyone who supported me this far. Thank you to everyone who's going to support me and get me to that magical 1,000 number. I've really been excited to see my numbers go up, and I'm really staying positive and anticipating big things for my channel. Not just to be able to get back to monetization, which, hello, I would love to get back to monetization, but just to see this community grow. I think we're all here for a purpose. We're all here for expansion, and I've benefited so much from being a part of this community, and I hope people feel they benefit from being a part of my community. So yeah, I want to put it out there for myself in the universe, and I want to thank people, and I think it's gonna happen sooner rather than later. So comment down below, let me know what you're interested in. Oh, I'm rambling so much, I forgot to bring up budget. So, you know, I'm a girl on a budget, so it's not gonna be anything too crazy. It will probably be within the $150 to $200 range, whatever these gift cards, the amounts for these gift cards that I plan on sending out. Unfortunately, I'm also going to say that it's very likely this will be US, Canada based, but I'll try to figure that out, because I know I could send an e-gift card depending on which category this is, but I still know that, but I don't know, maybe if you are in Nigeria, you can use a gift card to Sephora. Let me know. I honestly don't know. I'm not particularly sure which countries all of these different department stores, etc. ship to, so we'll see how far out I'm able to open up the giveaway. So I'm still researching all the rules and so on. It's been a while since I've held a giveaway, so I need to make sure that the laws, etc. haven't changed before I do it. Yeah. But anyway, guys, so thank you. This has been a really just quick video. Just wanted to let you guys know about my plans for this giveaway and my plans for this channel, that I'm gonna keep ticking along. It's slow, steady progress, and I'm gonna keep ticking along. So I need to appreciate where I am in my own journey. So I may not have reached my goal yet, but I still need to appreciate where I am in my own journey, which I do. So anyway, I'm definitely rambling right now. So thanks guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please subscribe. Please share this. I always think a giveaway is a lot more fun if more people have entered. Yes, it reduces your chances of winning, but hello, it's still more fun. So thanks guys. Thanks for coming back to AhhhsoNeo, and stay blessed. Read a book. Read 2 books. It'll change your life.